I am a gay Igbo man. Everybody in my village knows I'm a gay man. If you think that they don't know, I need you to take a metal gong or a wood gong and go to the Eke market in my village and announce it to them, because a lot of you who are suffering from religious psychosis think that gay people are your problem. Why is it that whenever you see someone you think is a gay person, what you think about is God? God, you are a sinner, you are a sinner, you are a sinner. I do not understand. I am not your problem. Gay people are not your problem. Queer people are not your problem. LGBTQIA plus individuals are not the reason why your life is miserable. Go and do something about it. You can call God from today till tomorrow. You are still going to be where you are. Go and speak to a therapist. I am a gay Igbo man who is glowy, juicy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, and doing what needs to be done. Have a wonderful time.